Dear students, welcome to the lesson Gravitation. In the previous class, we have discussed mass and weight, free fall, and gravitational constant. Am I right? Today we are going to see three terms. One is what is buoyancy, then Archimedes principle, and what is relative density. It is this situation you can notice very well. Take a plastic bottle and push it into water. Are you able to push it down? Certainly not. Am I right? Listen, you have to apply more amount of force to it. Why? What is the reason? And also, when you are inside water, you will feel your mass is less. Am I right? And also, if any heavy object is in water, inside water you can take it easily, but outside water you feel it is very heavy. Is it? Okay, we know very well. The object falls towards the earth due to gravitational force. Then already we have learned that the force acting on the object depends on weight of the object also, because F is equal to m into g, depends on mass as well as acceleration due to gravity. Okay, what is buoyant force? That is the upward force acting on the object by the liquid. When you are pushing down the plastic bottle into water, you have to apply more force. Why? What is the reason? Actually, due to gravitational force, it has to fall down, but it is not going down easily. The reason is because water gives out certain amount of force, upward force to the object when it is coming down. That force is buoyant force. This buoyant force depends upon the mass of the object. Okay, when you drop a plastic bottle into a bucket full of water, it will float. If you drop a small iron nail into water, it will sink. For example, I am dropping an iron article into water, it will sink. At the same time, if I am dropping a small piece of plastic into water, it will float. Is it? Why? What is the reason? Here, the upward force given by the fluid or water is more than the force, that means the gravitational force acting on the object in the case. And also it depends upon the mass of the object. Three things. The buoyant force depends upon mass of the object as well as the upward force given by the liquid. In the case of plastic, the upward force given by the liquid is more, so the object floats. In the case of iron article, the upward force given by the water is less than gravitational force. Here gravitational force is more, so the object goes down. So buoyant force depends upon mass of the object as well as the upward force of the fluid or any other liquid or oil or whatever may be. Okay, take a 100-gram mass of a stone and tie it in a thread. Now drop the stone into water. When it is going down into water, the mass of the stone will be less. Here, due to buoyant force of the liquid. Okay, It was done by the scientist called Archimedes. It is called Archimedes principle. What it states that when a body is immersed fully or partially in a liquid or fluid, it experiences an upward force that should be equal to weight of the fluid or liquid displaced it. This principle is used in ship is floating in water. Actually, the mass of the ship is more than water, but it is floating. Is it? That is due to the principle of Archimedes. Okay? Then, next one we are going to see what is relative density. Relative density is defined as the density of the substance to density of water. That is the definition of relative density. It is defined as the density of the substance to density of water. So, the relative density has no unit. It is a constant value. Okay? So, still you have the doubt. How do ship float? Is it? Here, the upward force given by the object and also the gravitational force, that means the weight as well as weight of the object, when they are equal, the object will float. As per that term, the size and weight of the ship will be designed. Okay? Otherwise, inside ocean, if you are dropping a small stone, it will sink. But a big ship can float because ship is designed in such a way that the upward force given by the water as well as the gravitational force or the weight of the object should be equal. In that manner, it is designed. Okay, hope you understood today's topic. What is buoyancy and what is Archimedes principle, then what is relative density.